Hiva'a himoku, himoku, hiva'a. An island is a canoe, and a canoe is an island. And if you want to make the distance, we need to work together. But if you want to go fast, then you can go alone. It's time we make that distance as we learn to navigate what it means to live on this island Earth once more, as it floats through the sea of space and time.
With my platform, I would like to inspire ambition to our Native youth, and my goal is to flourish your ideas into action, to create simple solutions to overwhelming issues.
Raising awareness about the persistent water contamination issue in Northeast Oklahoma.
Is to promote ancestral environmental awareness through a camp hosted within the Gila River Indian community.
Here we are investigating any contaminant transport within the water, crops, and plants that have been impacted by mining legacy.
Advocating for tribal rights and sovereignty in water sustainability in order to further grow and develop our generation's long-lasting fight for a healthy planet and lifestyle.
Reminding ourselves that it is the wisdom of our elders that provides us the foundation for which we can build new solutions as new challenges rise, such as climate change, amongst many others.
Connecting my peers with the traditional way of planting and caring for plants that have been passed down from generation to generation.
To uplift creative writing as a means to celebrate, explore, and learn more about our ties to the earth as Indigenous people.
Focused on cleaning up local beaches and trails, involving my community. Through my project, I would like to bring together the community and bring awareness to the trash.
Revitalize cultural resources. The preservation of traditional foods, plants, and medicines are vital to our well-being as Native people, and they should be accessible within our communities.
Hiva'a himoku, himoku, hiva'a. An island is a canoe, and a canoe is an island. And if you want to make the distance, we need to work together.